Hey everybody, welcome to Logging Giants. This is Samrina showing you today how you can add admin to your Facebook page. So first of all, start by opening your Facebook application. Go to the third bar menu. If you have any pages on your Facebook, that should appear below your profile like this. Click that page and scroll a bit little left, then you will be able to see this more option. Click that. Scroll down below and click settings option. There you can see the page rules option, press it. As you can see, the current admin of this page is Diana Sian. So if I want to add another person to the admin post, then I'll press add person to page. Type the name of the person that you want to give that post to. So after you type the name of the person, their profile will appear and press on that profile. So for security reasons, you will be asked to enter your password. So you just do what they say. After you are done adding your password, press continue. Refresh your page and search the name of that person again. Tap to their profile and select their roles. Let's say admin for now. Click add. Then that should be done. So there are two admins. The Diana is the former one and this one is the new one. So that is all for today. Do follow our page and we will be seeing you in our next upload.